Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Irma. Today's video we're gonna go ahead and start decorating our hot cocoa coffee bar for Christmas. So as you can tell, everything is already cleared off from my fall decor. I do need to quickly wipe it down, so we're gonna go ahead and do a little light cleaning before we can start decorating, because of course we cannot decorate on dust or dirt. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys find motivation and ideas if you guys are into doing a hot cocoa / coffee bar, and I hope you guys enjoy. While I'm finishing up wiping down the bottom part of this coffee cart, I do want to mention that today's video is actually in a collaboration with my friend Kim, so I'll go ahead and add this clip to let her introduce herself to you guys now.
Hey guys, my name is Kimberly. My YouTube channel here is Dream Life of a Housewife. I am a wife and mother of 4, also a small business owner. I like to post a lot of DIYs on my channel, home decor videos, and a couple of lifestyle videos. I am currently working on my 12 days of Christmas videos, which I will be posting on my channel in the next few weeks. Make sure you guys check it out as soon as you guys are done watching Irma's video. And I'd love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. Make sure you guys check out my channel. This is my sneak peek of my hot chocolate bar that I will have posted on my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys over on my channel.
Thank you so much, Kim, for collaborating with me in today's video. I'm so excited to go ahead and check out your channel. But like you guys heard, she is a small business owner and she makes such cute shirts and cups as well. So make sure you guys go ahead and follow her on Instagram as well, so you guys could check out what she sells and makes customized for everybody's liking. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start adding up my mugs here. I'm showing you close-ups of all of our Christmas mugs that we had. So all of the previous mugs that I had on this mug rack, I actually put them in the little pull-out shelf from the bar cart, and I'm just gonna stick with these mugs. So some of them are just like redone mugs that go with the plates that I have on my table, and then other ones are just like Facebook finds or Dollar Tree ones and so on. So yeah, if there's a certain mug that you guys are interested in knowing exactly where it's from, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and we're gonna go ahead and just continue adding the mugs here before we can move on to working with our bar card. So I'm gonna try and keep it on a little bit more of a relaxed music style, but of course, if any questions where I got anything, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and I'd gladly get back to you. So here I thought I was fine with keeping it like this, but then I remember I had this brick mold that I had got from House and Home a while back, and I'm just going to go ahead and use it to put my containers in there, and I think it just looks a whole lot better. Racing downstairs to see what might
Christmas tree. Oh, can I please, please have that back? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy. That Christmas peace when heart and soul were both at ease.
So now the toppings, as you can see here, these are peppermint toppings. I just took them out of their previous container. They're all from Walmart by the Great Value brand. So yeah, this is one little container that was like around like less than $2. So I just added it to this Dollar Tree glass container. And then I have this Christmas tree topping one and the Santa's hat one. These are also from Walmart Best Value. And all I did was just take off the logo so it looks nice and clean. And now we're going to go ahead and start working on the middle shelf where we have pretty much all of our toppings and syrups and all of that stuff.
Wrap 'em up with ties and bows. Whatever's in them, no one knows. Oh, can I please, please have that back? That Christmas joy I once had as a boy. That Christmas peace when heart and soul were both.
So after putting in our K-cup holder down here, I wanted to add in some hot cocoa containers that I get from Costco, but unfortunately they weren't fitting, and I know the kids were going to struggle. If I was able to put them in and like struggle, then the kids were not going to be able to put them back in. As you can tell, they did not fit. So what I did was I just went ahead and off camera I removed the bar that was on the bottom part, and as you can tell on the top where the syrup bottles at, there was a bar previously up there as well, and I also removed that one, and I think it just makes it so much functional and easy. So now after I'm done doing this, I'm just gonna go ahead and top off our decor, these little cute red flowers here, just to give it a little touch of a red over here, and then I'm gonna start sharing all of the afters with you guys. But I also have a super easy and yummy cookie recipe that I want to share with you guys at the end, so make sure you guys don't click away quite yet so you guys could go ahead and see the recipe. It is very easy and fun to do with the kids. But for now, here are all of the afters of how our coffee bar turned out.
Dressed in gold and red, garlands and ribbon thread, tinsel bright. But you outshine all like a fresh cut tree. I fall for your light. On this Christmas night, all the angels are singing.
And now to start with our sugar cookie recipe, we're gonna go ahead and use 1 stick of unsalted butter. If you guys have it at room temperature, it's even better, but mine was just fresh out of the refrigerator, but it still worked perfectly fine. And we're gonna go ahead and add that to our mixer until it's more of a creamy consistency. And then after that, we are going to be adding some sugar, and I will have the recipe linked down below for you guys. I actually got it off of Pinterest, so it is not my recipe, but I want to go ahead and do this one. It's actually the second time we're doing it here in our house, and the kids just love them. And then the cookie is not very sweet, so it's perfect if you're going to do icing on top. My kids prefer cookies without icing. So yeah, we do not do icing toppings because in order for them to get eaten, it's better without icings. I don't know if it's just my kids or what, but that's just something that they prefer a lot better. But as you can tell, we did go ahead and add in our 2 eggs after we did our sugar, and then a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then we have to make sure that we're scraping down all of the sides So I go ahead and mix them well. And for this recipe, you actually need to use the self-rising flour instead of all-purpose flour.
Is mine and yours. You nod your head and say yes. Really,
So your dough is going to be like a little sticky, but that is just how it's supposed to be. But if you want to go ahead and add a little bit more flour and don't want to work with a little sticky dough, then that's fine as well. But once you put it on top of your surface where you're going to be stretching it out to cut it with the cookie cutters, it is going to be a floured surface, so it'll get the flour from there. But you just go ahead and firm it into a ball, and then you can start rolling it out. And to roll it out, I am going to be using these new rolling pins that were sent to me by a company, which also make great Christmas gifts or just a perfect gift for somebody who enjoys baking. Like, you can also use it to roll out so many different other pastries and stuff like that, not necessarily just for cookies. But it does come in a set of two. As you can tell, this one has two sides, a more bigger and a smaller side, and the other one is just like a one side, but it's a whole lot more bigger. But if you pay close attention, they are quite different from each other, like in the handles. And then this one here that you see has more in the middle, like a thicker shape, and then the other one has just like a round shape. But both of them are just so amazing. I enjoyed using these, especially for making cookies if you're not needing like your big old rolling pin, because you're not rolling out a big old dough like for a big surface. For example, if you were to use the dough to make cinnamon rolls, where of course you would use like a big rolling pin, but these just make the perfect little rollers for cookies, or even for the kids to use. These are just perfect for their little hands. So yeah, I will have everything linked down in the description box for you guys if you guys are interested in snatching up one of these rolling pin sets for a Christmas gift, or why not even for yourself.
I've got a thought, dear, been planning on my own. So what would you think about us making a clean getaway, not coming back?
So after your cookie dough is rolled out like half an inch, then just pick whichever cookie cutters of your selection. The recipe actually says to spray them with cooking oil, but I tried using flour, and it kind of worked, but not as much. So definitely go ahead and spray your cookie cutters with non-stick cooking spray, and then make sure you have a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And while you're cutting them, go ahead and just start placing them on there. It's so easy and fun. This is like the best part for the kids. But of course, Jayla was sick on the day that I was doing these cookies, so she wasn't able to help because she was napping after you guys saw her appearance there. So she all of a sudden just fell asleep on the sofa because, like I mentioned before, she was not feeling good. But once you get all of your cookies cut out, just go ahead and reshape your leftover dough back to a ball, stretch it out, and then you could go ahead and cut out some more of those. I'm also going to be doing some just cut in a circle, so I could go ahead and add a little Hershey peppermint chocolate kisses on top. The ones you guys saw I previously had at my coffee or my hot cocoa station. So yeah, those were really delicious and yummy. But yeah, once you guys are done cutting out and filling up your baking sheet, you just go ahead and throw them in to your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and just let them bake for about 10 minutes or till they are nice and golden brown.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little prison shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow
So once again, I will have these beautiful rolling pins, which actually look very beautiful displayed as well, not only for use, but I will have everything linked down in the description box, as well as these amazingly delicious sugar cookies for you guys. If you guys are interested in both, make sure you check out the description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys found motivation and got tons of ideas. And don't forget to go check out Kim's video once you guys are done watching mine. And thank you so much, Kim, for collaborating with me in today's video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye guys.